Hi guys, in this video let's see how to unsend Gmail messages and set up unsend timer. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So this is my prepared message draft. Let's send it, and as you can see at the bottom left you can undo send, but by default only within first 5 seconds. To extend this timer you need to go to settings, gear icon at the top right. Now click on see all settings and find undo send in the general tab. Now you can extend timer up to 30 seconds. This setting is available from browser only. So if you want to do it from a mobile device, either iPhone or Android, you need to open a web browser and search for Gmail. Now go to the Gmail website. Once open, tap on 3 dots at the top right. Enable desktop side feature. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now zoom in and scroll up to this gear. See all settings. And here you can set your undo send timer as well. And don't forget to scroll down and save your changes. Here is this button. That's pretty it, guys. This will affect your Gmail application as well. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye, guys.